है बताने के लिए कि इस एप्लीकेंट के साथ क्या हुआ। तो पहले हम सीखेंगे इनएडमिसिबिलिटी के बारे में। Helen, can you explain to us what is inadmissibility as part of a T visa application?
Sure. So when we have established that someone is a victim of a labor or sexual abuse or attempt or conspiracy to commit that type of victimization, then we want to file that T visa. But oftentimes people say, but I have these problems on my record. I have an old criminal history. Maybe it was for accidentally selling cigarettes or alcohol to someone who was underage in a store that they worked in, or they came into the United States walking across the border, which is an immigration violation and also a misdemeanor. So there may be some things on their history that can affect how immigration is going to make a decision on the case. So what we're looking for is to see, are there immigration violations or criminal violations or offenses that can make a person inadmissible, or another word for that is really ineligible for the T visa. And if they do come against that barrier, then we want to apply for a waiver. So a waiver is where the T visa applicant, as part of the paper application that we file with immigration, we're including an extra form for them that asks the government to forgive or waive or grant a waiver for those criminal or immigration violations. So when we think about eligibility for a T visa, first we establish that yes, there was human trafficking. But the second part comes down to the individual who's applying. Do they have something on their history that would close the door to the T visa unless a waiver is granted? And if they do, then we file that waiver application. Almost all of our clients need that waiver application. And hopefully at the end, the result will be that the door is now open thanks to a waiver approval where those offenses are forgiven and the T visa is ultimately granted.
थैंक यू सो मच। तो सौम्या जी, जैसे कि हमने सुना, हम पहले ये सोचते हैं कि इन लोगों के साथ जो ये अप्लाई कर रहे हैं टी वीज़ा के लिए, इन लोगों के साथ हुआ क्या?